welcome to a Minecraft tutorial on bees. Now, I'm in creative just to show you guys. As you can see, I have like a 64 stack of like 2 flowers, and there's many different types of flowers around the hive. Just to show you guys how they act, how they, what they do for their hive. You can hear them buzzing in there. Usually they, they just get on the flowers, they pollinate, and they go right back to the hive to make honey. Now this little guy's coming right at me. How you doing, buddy? Aren't they so cute? Now, I hope you're not, like, checking out bees in real life, because they're actually kind of scary, well, in my opinion. But, these ones are cute. And, oh, there we go, look, it's filled up with honey. Basically, from here, it will not gain any more honey, until, you take it from them. So, alright, so we have glass bottles. Now, when they're in the hive, they'll get very angry at you. Actually, I'm going to show you exactly how it works when you take honey from the hive. Like this. Let's see how they react. Ooh, they get angry at me. Like, oh, okay, so look, that one stung me. Alright, oh no, please, I don't want the other one to sting me. The problem with bees stinging you is, yes, you take damage for it, and you will lose health, but the poor bee that stung you, like in real life, will perish soon. Aw, buddy. And that's what happens when they sting you. To calm them down, you're going to need a campfire. Which, if you heat up the hive, that's when they calm down. So, if you put a campfire under, right this, and warm up the hive, the smoke's going to stop right under the hive. Which should calm down the bees. While we're here, honey is a really good option for hunger. Let's say you're very low on hunger, and you need to eat something. Honey will fill your hunger. It's very valuable. You could put it in a glass bottle like I have here, and you could drink it to restore your hunger, like so. Yeah, you drink the honey. Your heart should come back up. Don't know why mine aren't. Good. Alright, so, now, as you can see, the hive is full of honey. It's dripping. It's gooping from the hive. Look at that. Right onto the campfire. So now that we have the campfire set up to warm up the hive, let's see if they get aggravated that I'm taking honey from them. Let's see. So you could use a pair of shears to get honeycomb, which looks like this. Get a honeycomb. Or you could use a bottle to get a honey bottle. There you go. They didn't get aggravated at all. I got 3 honeycomb from that. You can make your very own hive. The crafting recipe is as follows. There's 3 honeycomb in the middle, 3 boxes here. And then you got 3 on the bottom, 3 on the top. And you make a beehive. You make kind of like a man-made beehive. And you could place it next to this hive. You could place it in another tree. Let's place it over here for now. Alright. So, now, not only will they fill this hive, but they'll fill this hive as well. There we go. Alright, so this one's filled. Now. I think there was 3 in there. Doesn't matter though. We're gonna shear the honeycomb from it like we did the other one. And they're not gonna get mad at us because of the campfire. So, now we're gonna make another one. Keep going from there. Like I said, 6 planks. 1 row on the bottom, 1 on the top, and then 3 honeycomb in the middle to make a beehive. There you go. Put another one. Now we're going to have some fun with this. We're going to go into creative mode. We're going to get a bunch of spawn eggs for bees. Okay. And we're going to get beehives. Alright, we're going to get a bunch. So now, we're just going to go crazy with this and see what happens. We're going to put a bunch of hives down. Let's see this. Alright, I think that's enough. Now, just clicking a lot. That is a lot of bees. Whoa. Oh, they're fighting over the flowers. Now, I'm not going to worry about the campfires because we're not going to need to use it anymore. We're not taking anything from the hives anymore, but wow. Look at this. And they're all going into the hive. You hear the pop, pop, pop. Look, this one has a double-sided hive. I didn't even realize I put that there. Well, that's it for Minecraft bees. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope these guys can figure out who's getting what flower because there's too much of a commotion here. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're more familiar with bees now because of the video. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and catch you later.